Hi everyone, welcome to BIM channel. Today we are going to walk you through the basic user interface of Revit, and then we'll teach you how to navigate in BIM model, such as how to rotate, pan, zoom your BIM model. Then we'll show you the frequently asked questions from beginners. So let's open up the Revit first. The top side of it is the project panel. It will let you to open an existing file or create a new project and to access the recently opened file. And on the downside of it, it's a families panel. It will let you to create a customized BIM element such as the desk or the mechanic equipment. In this tutorial, we'll open up the sample architectural project to walk you through the user interface. So this is the basic user interface of the Revit. As you can see, on the top side, there are several tabs. The tabs include many tools in the Revit, and the tools are put on a ribbon. So this panel is called a ribbon, and this is the tools here. If you hover your mouse on the tool, it will show you the helps, including some text and picture, or sometimes animation. And on the downside of it, the largest area, it's called the drawing area. It will show you the sheets, the 2D floor plan, and the 3D model. On the left hand side, you will see two windows. There are property palette and project browser. First, we'll look at the project browser here. It will list all the views here, including the floor plan, 3D views, elevations, section view, and then the sheets you created, the schedule you created here, and also the families you imported in these projects. So the project browser lay out all of the structure in your project. And we can click the views to switch views in the drawing area. So if I click the level 1 here, and the drawing area will open the level 1 floor plan. And if I open the 3D view, I double click it, and then it'll open the 3D view for me. Okay, so this is the project browser. Next, we'll go to see the properties palette, which is this window. The top side of it, it's called the type selector. It'll show the current selected elements and show its types. So if I click the window in the drawing area, and the property palette will show the selected window and show the types of the window. And there also shows the properties in its elements. Next, I'm going to introduce the quick access bar, which is on the top of the window. As you can see here, there are several small buttons. And these two are the most frequently used when you are modeling. The one is default 3D view, so when you click it, it will switch to the 3D view. And this one, the thin lines. It will make the edge of the model very thin even when you zoom in. You can see the difference when I toggle it on and off. This is on, thin line on, and this one is thin line off. Now we are going to see how you can navigate in the BIM model. So first of all, we would like to talk about how to switch between the floor plan and 3D view. On the project browser, you just need to click the floor plan, double click it, and it'll open the floor on the drawing area. And you can also open the 3D view here and elevations, sections, or even the sheets you created. So this is how you can navigate between the 3D view and 2D view. Okay, back to 3D view. Let's talk about how to rotate, pan, or zoom the BIM model. If you scroll up your mouse, you can zoom in to the BIM model, like this. Scroll up, zoom in, and scroll down to zoom out. Okay, then you can hold your middle button on your mouse to pan your BIM model, like this. Hold your middle button and then move your mouse, move your cursor to pan the view. Okay, the next one, rotate. To rotate your BIM model, you need to hold the shift button and then hold the middle button on the mouse, then move your cursor. So that's how you can rotate your BIM model. Hold shift button, hold middle button. So this is basic control of the BIM model. Next, we are talking about the view cube. The view cube is this cube located on the top right corner of your drawing area. When you rotate your BIM model, the view cube will rotate correspondingly. If you are not comfortable with holding the shift button and the middle button to rotate the BIM model, you can simply just drag the view cube to rotate your BIM model like this. Besides, if you need to rotate the BIM model to a specific view, such as the top view, front view, you can just click the faces on the view cube. So if I click the top faces on the view cube, it will rotate the BIM model to the top side view. And if I click the front view, it will rotate to the front angle. So it's quite handy to help you to rotate to a specific angle. Sometimes you may want to slice your BIM model to a specific level or a specific area. You can use view cube to do that as well. Just right click on the view cube and then select the orient to view and floor plan. And in our case, let's choose the level 1. So it'll section the BIM model to a specific level and area. Then you can easily view the specific level of BIM model. Next, we're talking about how to hide or isolate BIM elements. There are 2 different methods to do that, and all are located in the bottom of the drawing area. They are located in here. This is the viewer control bar. The first one is called the temporary hide isolate button. It's a glasses icon, and when you select a BIM element, you can just click and then hide elements. It's a temporary hide, so the drawing area will mark up a tag and show that it's a temporary hidden mode. So if you want to reveal the hidden element, you just click the glasses and then reset temporary hidden. Then the hidden element will reveal. The next method is next to the glasses. It's the bulb. And the function is called reveal hidden elements. So when you toggle on the bulb, you can see the hidden element in a X-ray mode. So if I need to hide an element, select the element and right click, and there's a hide in view option. So I can hide the elements in view and the element will disappear. And there's no tag to show some elements is hidden. Open the toggle, open the bulb to reveal the hidden elements. And then you can see here, this one is the hidden element. Then right click and you can unhide in view. So this is how you hide or reveal the hidden elements. Next, we're going to slice our BIM model with section box. To start with, we need to unhide the section box in the drawing area first. So we click the Reveal and Hidden Elements button, and then find the section box, which is the boundary box of the BIM model. Then we right click on the section box and then choose the Unhide in View. So after that, the section box is unhide. So if we toggle off the bulb, we can see a box here. To slice the BIM model, we can simply just drag the arrow here around each face to modify the size of the section box, and the BIM model will slice correspondingly. So we can use it with the view cube, for example, to rotate to the top view, and then we can easily section and slice the BIM model to a specific area, and then rotate to the front view to adjust the height of the section box. With this procedure, you can easily slice the BIM model to a specific room or area. The last function I would like to introduce to navigate the BIM model is the window tile. Click the View tabs and locate to the Tile Views. The Tile Views tool will put the view side by side to view the 2D and 3D at the same time. Okay, so that's the basic tool for the Revit. We talk about the user interface and tell you how to navigate in BIM model. And now we'll talk about some cases which beginners may face it. The first one is about the tab. Some beginners may find that their ribbon may be minimized or disappeared. You can just right click this small button here to switch the style of the ribbon. So you can make it shown on the window, or maybe make it smaller or even disappeared on your view. The next one is the missing property palette and missing project browser. So when you open your Revit, if you find your property palette and project browser are disappeared, you can go to the View tab and select the User Interface button. Then you can click the Properties and the window will show up. And if you click the project browser again, the project browser window will show up as well. Some beginner may find their properties and project browser window located somewhere else, not on the left-hand side. So you can drag the window and move to the edge of the window, and it'll pop up the blue area as shown in the window, then release your button. The properties window sneak to the left hand side. You can do that to the project browser window as well. So if we need to put it on the bottom left corner, we may find an angle. So we move the window here, then we release our button. The project browser will put back to the original place. Thanks for your watching. See you on the next one.